What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, Sunday, come out here after church with Dad. Well, I watched the movie first. But anyhow, that's beside the point. I come out here and I got some more done today. I'm getting real close just to have the bottom two walls and the back wall finished. And then I got to start working on the front wall with the garage doors there. Let me turn this around. So as you know, I had all this right here pretty much done, right? All this is pretty much done back here in the back, the lower part. And then I got these sidewalls all pretty much done here, except for that end. I got to do the 8.5 bottom one right there, and then this one right here, 20.5 right there. So they're not 8-foot pieces. So I'm going to try to use one board to do those two, and then start working on the next layer up and go around on that. So we're getting a little bit done every day. So I've been trying to come out here a couple hours every day, get this done. You know, if I did that with the Fairmont 10 years ago, the Fairmont would be done, right? Yeah, right. But anyhow, I told you folks, I will keep you updated every time I do a little something. You know what I mean? I mean, there are 2, 3, maybe a 4-minute video at the most, but hey, who wants to watch an hour or 2-hour video? You know what I'm saying? So anyhow, guys, I appreciate you. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you come see me and I'll tell you you're awesome. I want you to have a great day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. And thank you again.